How to limit quantity in Shopify. To show you this, we have to go to our products, and to do this we go to the left hand side and look here for products. And now I can just pick one of my products and go ahead and edit it like this. Now I want to scroll down here all the way until I see inventory like this. And then you want to make sure this box here is ticked, which says track quantity. Just click on that. And you want to make sure that continue selling when out of stock is not ticked. So you want this to be empty like this. Okay, now down here I can choose how many of these are available. So I can just click on the 0 here and I type in 50 for example. And then I go ahead and save, and as you can see the on-hand quantity changes as well. And something else I can do is if I type in 0 here for example, and when I save it from here on the top right, then when I view my product in the store it will say sold out. That's a bonus thing you can add if you want to say something is out of stock or not available at the moment. But that's how you limit the quantity. You just go in here and you type in what your max quantity is, and that's it. That's how you limit the quantity in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.